Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value Area High, VAH, 6,683, the upper deck railing. If the crew rallies above this, we might board the enemy ship. Value Area Low, VAL, 6,649, the waterline. A breach here means we are taking on water fast. Point of control, POC, 6,674, the main battery where the heaviest cannon fire was exchanged today. Support zone, 6,636 to 6,649, the reinforced hull. If this splinters, it is down to Davy Jones's locker. Resistance zone, 6,683 to 6,690, a blockade of enemy frigates. Hard to break without reinforcements. Single print escape paths. Lower, 6,636 to 6,648, a whirlpool of selling. If we drop in here, the ship sinks rapidly. Upper, 6,685 to 6,709, open waters. If we clear the blockade, we have room to maneuver. Market context. Today's action was a full broadside defeat. The fleet opened under pressure, and despite a brief morning skirmish, the hull was breached, sending prices plunging from the 6,700s down to the 6,630s. The profile is top-heavy, looking like a capsizing galleon. We are balancing precariously near the lows, with the crew bailing water to stay afloat at 6,649 three-day log of the naval campaign. November 16th, POC 6764, VAL 6755, VAH 6770, the fleet held formation in calm waters. November 17th, POC 6767, VAL 6722, VAH 6789, widespread skirmishes but value held high. November 18th, POC 6674, VAL 6649, VAH 6683, a direct hit. The flagship crippled and value sank deep. Value crashed significantly today. We are now drifting in hostile waters well below the previous fleet anchorage. Failure to reclaim 6,683 confirms the ship is lost. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD negative 491 contracts. The morning watch started with a shortage of powder. Intraday peak buying. CVD climbed to 2,058, a brief volley of return fire. Current CVD, negative 14,345 net, negative 13,854 from open, indicating the enemy fleet completely overwhelmed our defenses. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 21,641. Massive morale failure as the crew abandoned stations. Interpretation. Sellers are dominating the high seas. The ammunition depletion, selling delta, is severe. Any rally is likely just a dead cat bounce off the flotsam. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Only on a miraculous patch of the hull at VAL, 6,649, or a reclaim of 6,683. Stop loss. Below the keel at 6,636 or use average true range, ATR, of 15 points profit. Target. Initial target at POC, 6,674. Then VAH, 6,683. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the upper deck, 6,683, or a hull breach below 6,649. Stop loss. Above the mast at 6,695 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first loot, then down to the depths, 6,630 seconds. Position sizing: keep the wager small, only 1 to 2% of the treasure chest. If the ship lists, cut the line immediately. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A: mutiny below decks. Price fails to hold the waterline at 6,649. Setup: short the breakdown of 6,649. Stop at 6,655. Target the ocean floor at 6,636 and below Scenario B, defending the flagship. The crew rallies to defend the POC at 6674. Setup: short a rejection at 667, 4 or 6683. Stop above 6690. Target a return to the bilge at 6649. Scenario C: miracle recovery. Reinforcements arrive and push price back above VAH, 6,683. Setup: long above 6,683. Stop at 6,675. Target the horizon at 6,709. Scenario D: choppy seas. We drift aimlessly between 6,649 and 6,683. Setup: scalp the ranges, buying the bilge, 6,649, and selling the crow's nest, 6,683. But beware of the Kraken. Breakout. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.